Hi, I'm not one to do unboxing videos on this channel, but my son ordered a GoPro Hero 9 camera, which I've also got myself, which I used extensively since it was released, which I recommend. Great little cameras. He ordered one to go abroad with, but unfortunately it never came through in time. It was about a day late. So I said, look son, you take my camera with you and my bits and bobs, and I'll use your camera, which I'm using right now, filming this. So what happened was, I had the original GoPro, the new charger I bought as an accessory, which was the square battery charger, which takes 3 batteries at a time. So I let him take that with him abroad. So it's more convenient than charging through the camera, which you normally do. You normally charge it through the USB-C on the camera, but you can only charge 1 battery at a time. A little bit inconvenient. I looked on Amazon and the GoPro website. I was going to buy myself another charger, like a spare one, while he took my other one away with him abroad. And I think the GoPro Hero 9 battery charger is about £50–55 in the UK. So I came across this one on Amazon and I thought I'd give it a little try. And the reason I'm doing a little unboxing video is because I'll tell you what, this is a great bit of kit. I'm well pleased I bought this. Very, very similar to the DJI Mavic 2 drone battery charger. So it charges the batteries all in line, as opposed to in a square block, as per the GoPro Hero 9 charger. So let's bring the camera in closer and have a little look at this, and I'll show you what I mean. So this is the charger that I bought off of Amazon. I'll put the link below in the description. And I went for this charger because it's unlike the GoPro Hero 9 charger, which is a square bulky thing. This is probably similar to the DJI Mavic Mini charger, which charges the batteries in a row. So if I just do a little unboxing. I've already unboxed this once. What I like about it is it's USB-C, which is the modern USB type lead. This type of thing. That comes with it. Little instruction booklet, which you don't really need. And there's the charger. Little instruction booklet comes with it, which you don't really need, and this is the actual charger. Feels really, really nice. It's slim, lightweight, obviously without the batteries in it. Well, it's got a couple of batteries in already. A little array of LEDs there. The first LED tells you whether it's got power on or power off. If it's lit up, it's blue, I think it's power on. The next 3 LEDs basically tell you whether it's green or red. Green means your battery's fully charged, red means it's being charged. So you've got a back LED for each battery. Open it up, quite simply, open up the lid. There you go. And the batteries, as I say, similar to the DJI Mavic Mini 2 charger. They're in a nice little line, so nice and slim. In, out, like that. No batteries come with it, you have to buy your own batteries. Very, very lightweight, obviously with nothing in it. USB port at the bottom. USB-C. I really, really like it. I'm actually going to keep this probably in preference to my charger that my son's borrowed. As I say, it's nice and slim. Probably about 15–20mm thick. You look at that. As opposed to the GoPro one, which is square. And it does 3 batteries at a time. It simply just pop in there like that. Now, the 3rd battery is obviously my camera at the moment. Pop in there like that. Shut the lid up. Plug it in. 3 batteries at a time. Brilliant little bit of kit. Love it. In actual fact, this is the charger I think the GoPro should have made in the first place. So there you have it. That is the GoPro Maxcam portable battery charger for the GoPro Hero 9. Small, thin, compact, does 3 batteries at a time. In my opinion, I mean, I've not used it extensively yet. I've only used it once at the moment. I've not got the charging time for it yet to charge 3 batteries from dead to fully charged. So when I do try it out properly, I'll put that link, I'll put some information in the comments below. I think it's probably almost half price of the actual GoPro battery charger. Not sure of the quality of this, not sure how long it will last, but it does feel good quality. And as I say, it's a lot slimmer design. You can fit that in your pocket. Much easier to fit in your pocket than the actual GoPro charger. And it's got a nice lid on top. So you put that in your case or your pocket, as almost like a travel charger. Actually better than I think, because I've got both, as I said. I think it's better than the actual GoPro charger. I'd buy this in the future over the GoPro charger, in fact, just because of the slim design and the lid. A lot better. If I get any more information on it in the future, when I use it a little bit more, if it plays up or it packs up or it's really good, I'll put some comments below and I'll update this video. But so that's it. I'll put the link below. Maxcam portable battery charger for GoPro Hero 9. Also Hero 9 recommended camera. So quick little unboxing and review video of the charger that I use for my GoPro Hero 9. If you're looking for a battery charge for the Hero 9, consider this one. Thanks very much for watching. Ta-da.